Hello friends. Recently I had celebrated my daughter's birthday. It was a lockdown birthday, so I had to celebrate it at my place, at my house. And we had done a beautiful decoration on the wall. The theme was a rainbow and unicorn theme. You must have seen it in the thumbnail as well. Now in this video I am going to share with you how the decoration was done in budget, also how the whole process of photo shooting went through. Also, I couldn't capture many photos during the photo shoot since I was busy managing my daughter during the photo shoot. However, I have inserted few clips from the photo shoot which will help you to understand how it can be useful during your photo shoots. So let's get started. Okay, so step number one is you have to first order balloons. These are called, you can search for pastel colored balloons on Amazon. I will be pasting the link in the description box. So that is step number one. And once you get all the balloons, select the theme you want to arrange the balloon, arrange all the balloons into, and then you can start. I will share the picture of my theme, what I had chosen. Once we inflate, okay, so step number two is, once we inflate a few balloons, we can arrange them and check in accordance with the theme. Now I'll be showing you what are we using to arrange these balloons in a garland shape. So these are the strips which we are using to arrange all the balloons. Okay, they have one big hole and the other one is small, where you are going to fix the knot of the balloon, and you are going to arrange it this way. If you look at the pattern we are arranging in, is the first color you can see is purple, dark purple, then light purple, then dark pink, light pink, and then we are the color is gradienting from darker to the lighter shade to make it look like a rainbow, as you had seen in the theme I have shared with you. So if you, so this is how we fix the balloons in the strip. So as you can see, there are two different size holes. So one is the bigger one, other one is the smaller one. First thing you have to do is knot the balloon like this. Make sure you don't inflate it too much. In that case, it might not stay for a longer period of time. So to inflate it 75% of its capacity, and then you can put this knot in the bigger hole on the strip. So that's what I'm going to do now. Okay, so here, there we go. I have inserted this knot in the bigger hole of this strip, and then pull it towards the smaller hole. Sorry. So just you have to pull the strip in lightly, gently, and then bring it towards a smaller one, and then you can put another balloon also in this knot. You can see the size of the knot. It is big enough so that you can insert another balloon over here. And this is how you will be making the garland, like this. And here we have Gauri sitting with us, who is who is going to also do the photo shoot of my baby, so that we will be that you will get to see after the whole video ends. As you all can see, we are completed until here. Now what we did was we checked it with our wall size to see whether it will fit the baby and the camera correctly, since this is for a baby shoot. So one thing you should always make sure is, as and when you are going ahead with the colors, keep on checking your arrangement with the wall. And what we have decided is we are going to go in a descending order. For example, here we have started with the purple color. We are going to end it also in purple color so that it looks like a rainbow. And let's see how it looks like finally. So as you all can see the gradient of the colors, how it is arranged, and more to go. And this is how it is looking now. So this is how the first setup looks like. I couldn't shoot the first one, the photo shooting phase, because I was busy with my child shooting the photos, and she's the one who is doing the photo shoot. So as you saw, that is the arrangement of the balloons in the garland shape was the main, or I would say was the crux of the whole decoration. So that is what we had done. Another thing what I did was, we had arranged few props which I had ordered from Amazon, which you can also utilize in decorating your child's room. I will share that as well. Just in case if you don't want to order the props, you can also use some soft toys, you can utilize some cotton, you can use some some small paper or anything which will make it look more beautiful basically. So just in case if you want to order those props, you can find the link of all the props utilized in this decoration in the description box. So once you get all the props, once you make the garland out of balloons, you have to just utilize that white color backdrop. In case if your walls are white in color, that would be great. Just in case if you don't have white color walls, you can use white plain cloth as a backdrop and arrange everything on that backdrop, just as you can see in the next picture. So after I finish speaking, I will share the final look of the whole arrangement and how it looked like. So once everything is done, you can click photos. If you want, you can call for a photographer. If you have your own DSLR or a very good phone, you can capture beautiful photos on the birthday. So let's have a look at the final look of the rainbow theme. Hope you enjoyed watching the video. For more such ideas on fashion, home decor, DIYs and much more, stay tuned to my channel. If you liked watching this video, please don't forget to hit on that like button, share with your friends. Stay tuned. Have a great day. Bye-bye.